Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve a memory based question also, JEE Main 2020, 7th of January, Shift 1. Question number 9. If y is equal to mx plus 4 is common tangent to parabola y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 2by, then the value of b is 4 options are given. JEE always select a question from the tangent, common tangent and parabola. It is very favorite for JEE Main. So let's try to solve this. First of all, two parabolas are given. It is y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 2by, and one common tangent is given. It is y is equal to mx plus 4. Then we should calculate the value of p. So first, y square is equal to 4x is the standard equation of parabola. So equation of the common tangent, equation of tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4x is equal to, we know y is equal to mx plus a by m. Now comparing these two equations, we get, so 4 is equal to 1 by m. Therefore, m is equal to 1 by 4. Now, placing 1 by 4, m is equal to 1 by 4 in this tangent, because this is the common tangent also. So this equation become y is equal to x by 4 plus 4. Now, this is equation 1. Now we shifting the coordinates. Just x become y and y becomes x. Now shifting coordinates to that, it is common tangent and it is another parabola. So we shifting these two. So now we shifting the coordinates institute of x. So x square is equal to 2by becomes y square is equal to 2bx, and y is equal to 4 x by 4 plus c. 4 becomes x is equal to y by 4 plus 4. So now calculating these two, 1 by minus of, it is seen that here we calculate the value of x. So x is equal to from 1, x is equal to 4y minus of 16. X is equal to 4y minus 16. So comparing x, these two equation we get x is equal to minus of 16 is equal to b by 2 divided by 4. Therefore from 1, it is from 1. So that implies b by 2 is equal to minus of 64. That implies b is equal to minus 128. So we reached, it is our answer, and our option is option 3. So here is the whole problem. That's all.